Hi, welcome to Mark's Basement Arcade. Today we're going to be putting the Wolffpac displays on the Comet, or in the Comet, however you want to say. First we're going to start out with this board. The game's unplugged, so make sure it got the plugs right there. So we're going to start with this board. What I think I'm going to do first is I'm going to remove all these power or data, signal, whatever they are. I'm going to remove all of them first. So I kind of want to keep all the data cables on. So I just want to take the old one off, swap it, and then put the new one back in its place. If you kind of like understand what I'm saying. Where can I put these? Well, I got a whole box right here I could set stuff on. But these are just 4 nylock screws. That's all it is. I just want to keep everything kind of like in the same routing. So when I pull it off, I can put the new board on and then just plug all the cords back into the displays. This should just pull straight out like that. My new board that I assembled. Remember, these are just kits. You probably watched the last video of me building these. If not, I'll try to put a link in the description so you can go back and watch that build. And if I didn't, drop me a comment telling me to do so, because right now it's December 2023. Maybe by the time you see this video it's 2024 something, maybe even 2025. Who knows? I do all these videos in advance. But this is just like a plug and play. Nothing special. And now we're just gonna do one plug at a time. And this is player 1. Which will go into player 1. This is player 2, which will in turn go into player 2. This one's player 3. Which will go into player 3. The hardest thing is getting these pins in the right spot. This is credit match. Which will go right back in the same spot. Yeah. See, I only put the top pins in. And then this one is my player 4, which will go in like that. Now this is out. So now we will take all of our cords, plug them back in. They go back in the exact same spot, which is awesome. Alright, those are all done. We're going to get my light, get rid of it. Close this up. Now what I'm going to do is move this over, and I'm just going to start unplugging these and plugging the new ones in, because what I have to do yet is I have to put the protective surrounds on the digits. I still got the digits covered in their protective film. I didn't put the surround on them yet. I see some of these screws are loose. So we're just going to tighten these up. So, yeah, you can speed this up while I take these off. Alright, we got those all out. I'm just going to go through and tighten up all these standoffs. They're all loose. And I believe the only reason why they're loose is because, well, the wood has shrunk and changed over all the years that this was first put in. So that or just vibration, but I'm thinking just it got loose. like about it. It doesn't waste a full display just for that crap. Technically, why do you need to build a full display for nothing? You just need really those two. Once I verify all these work, I don't see why they wouldn't. I never had one screw up before. But you know, there's always a first. There we go. See, I got one that's screwed up. Wonder if it's just the data cord. Yep. That's it. I remember how to get into that's there we go. 6, 7, 8, 9. That one's good. 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 They're all perfect. Yeah, this one was the connector. Well, it hasn't been plugged in for years, so I kind of, well, I do expect issues, but as you can see, I just wiggled it and it came right back to life. So, hey! Hey! Alright, now I can take all these off, and, well, I'm going to unplug the machine first. I can take all these off and we'll put the surrounds on them. What I mean by surrounds are these little pieces right here. They go around all the digits, and I got a bunch of them. So I'm going to throw these on the Comet playfield, and I'll show you what I mean. Alright, now I got to pull all of the protective wrapping off of each LED. These all have this, you can kind of see it there. They all have this on them. So you pull all that off. Like that. And then these, gotta punch out all of these digits. The digit holes, we'll call them. This will spin around. Now this, each one of them has a little notch in the lower corner. That will go so you can see your commas. Now you're pretty much only going to get one good shot at this. So I'm going to move this so I can see it the best, because you're not putting the sticker on. As you can see. what that does two things. This will now protect the glass. It also changes the look of the display. So now it looks like one solid unit instead of these individuals. I'll take these off so you can see it a little bit better. You can really leave this film on if you really want to. I just think it adds some extra shine it doesn't need. See what I mean? You get that versus that. This looks so much better, doesn't it? So I'm going to finish up all these and go put them in the machine. Alright, just getting this last one on here. As you can see, they look totally different now with the surrounds on them. But I promise you, once this game is on and lit and playing with the glass on, you won't even know that these are LEDs. They look so authentic compared to the originals. They're beautiful. The thing I need to do now is I need to change all the bulbs in here to LEDs. Alright, get my tools out of the way. Plug it in. Turn it on. Yeah, we still got issues with the cord. I might have to end up getting a new cord for that. Who knows how long that thing was unplugged. We'll see how long it lasts. I will let him know about it. Digit check again. And we'll get one here too. All these probably should be replaced. If I wiggle them enough, it might. There now, it's solid. How's this one? Yeah, that's solid now. That one was never an issue. Neither's that one. I think they're good now. Trust me, they look a lot better than what this camera does. Yeah, now you get the flicker. It always happens when you move. There we go. If I turn the lights off. Yeah, they look just like regular bulbs now. Just like regular bulbs. Hey! Those are my controlled lamps. And what I should do, since I know they're controlled lamps, I'm going to leave it like that because I want to take out all the controlled lamps and make sure that they get, what do you call it, non-ghosting bulbs. It has a burnt out bulb. So yeah, I'm going to end it here. I want to get those out right now. While I'm thinking of it. So if you like this video and you found it helpful, please drop a subscribe, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, all that cool stuff. There'll be some cool stuff along the bottom here. Check out the description below for other things. And take care, and later.